Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious cheesecake, starting with the perfect crust. First, brown your butter in a small skillet until it's a deep hazelnut color, then let it cool. Next, pulse graham crackers, a touch of sugar, and a sprinkle of salt in a food processor. Add the cooled brown butter to the crumbs and mix until it feels like wet sand. Press this mixture into a 9-inch springform pan and bake for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, let's create that incredibly creamy filling. Begin by gently beating room temperature cream cheese until it's smooth, being careful not to incorporate too much air. Next, massage lemon zest into your sugar to really bring out those citrus notes. Add this lemon sugar, a tiny bit of salt, sour cream, and vanilla bean paste to the cream cheese. Finally, mix in 4 room temperature eggs, one at a time, until just combined. For baking, pour your smooth filling into the prepared crust. Give the pan a few gentle taps on the counter to release any trapped air bubbles. Bake your cheesecake low and slow at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for approximately 90 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the edges are lightly golden and the center has a slight jiggle. Crucially, cool it in the oven with the door cracked for 1 hour, then at room temperature for another 1 to 2 hours. The final, and perhaps most important, step is chilling. Once your cheesecake has cooled completely at room temperature, transfer it to the refrigerator. Let it chill for a minimum of 6 hours, though overnight is truly ideal for the best results. This extended chilling time allows the cheesecake to fully set and its flavors to meld beautifully. Serve your perfectly chilled cheesecake plain or with a vibrant homemade berry sauce for an extra touch of deliciousness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.